In jails where the fuck Ratchet TV better hope that nigga stay. Because if he ever get the fuck out, I got some money for his pocket. I said I want his fucking head. Period. Walk that nigga down. Fuck Ratchet TV. He trying to get me killed. He think it's a game. I'm the fucking general. There's no games being played here. You protect the queen at fucking all costs. Period. Don't tell me what the fuck to say. You think I'm a fucking idiot? Do you think I'm a fucking idiot? Did you not hear me say I don't give a fuck? Did you not hear me say that shit? Do you think I give a fuck, Ashley?